I just wanted to talk to you about this glove that I mentioned earlier on today. There's the glove. It's a fingerless glove. Whoops, let's go a bit further back. There we have a fingerless glove, and it's got a rib, a hand knitted rib here, and a hand knitted rib at the bottom here, which is hidden actually. It's just, but that's really irrelevant in some ways. You could do that on a machine. This is all machine knitted apart from the ribs. It's got a cable on the front, and on the back it's 3D shaped with increasing and decreasing, and actually it's three needles wide actually, yeah. And you can see the lace holes that have been created. Now, if I wanted to get rid of those lace holes, I would have picked up the stitch and twisted it, but I didn't actually do that. The thumb is too long. I've got to change that. I've got to unravel it. So if I take it off, you can see it is just a flat piece of knitting. Nope, I'm going the wrong way. But then I've used holding to knit the main bit, this bit here, and then I've gone back and knitted the thumb. So it comes out as a flat piece with a held edge.